morning, day traders. This is Mike with Ripper Die Trading, getting ready to trade AMD this morning. It seems to be opening up a little bit above where it closed yesterday. 22.96 was the close. It's been, doing about a 20-cent little range this pre-market. What I'm looking for here is to see this thing maybe spike up to about 23.20 right there at the bell, work its way down back to 23, bounce off 23 and continue. So now I'll also be watching for the opposite. If it just tanks through 23, comes back up and 23 holds it, I'll be looking to get short. Looking at the daily chart, 23 was a pretty big support for it before it broke down. So we need to get past 23 and hold, and then we could see 25 in the next day or two. So we got about 45 seconds left. Let's see. Not a whole lot going on yet. So I'm trying to look at this morning. It first thing kind of wandered down here in the 5-minute, then back up. But it's kind of held this $23 area, so I'd like to see it get up to 23.15 or higher right here at the bell, and then come back. We got 3 seconds. Let's see what happens. Let's get a little closer here. Not a whole lot going on yet. Alright, there's that little pop I was looking for. Let's see if we can sell off down to around 23. There's a bunch of buyers here at 23.10 though. No, got right through them. That looked like a good place to maybe buy with all those buyers there, but went right through them. All right, let's see what the reaction is to 23 if we can get there. Don't know if it's going to give it to me or not. FOMO almost had me buy right there, but I'm trying really, really hard to stick to my entry levels. I don't want to really get anything other than 23.02. It would appear I'm not going to get it at the moment. Have to wait and see what goes. Finally starting to get used to this, used to AMD not going nuts at open. People are elsewhere right now, and it doesn't do the normal craziness that it used to do. watching SPY and NVIDIA kind of go down right now, so I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna buy right at 23 here. I might see what happens when it touches it. If it blows by it, or if we get a little bounce. Hmm. That might have been where I should have taken it. Still not super convinced yet, but yep. Well, looks like I chickened out a little bit there, and I let a couple other stocks jade me on getting in there, just because SPY's starting to fail right now, and NVIDIA, I don't know. I could have been a smart decision on my part, because NVIDIA's back down again. SPY's going down. We wouldn't have got our 10 cents as of yet, so I might still be in right here around this 2. So I need to see this thing break below 23 and come back up and stay under it. Looking on the 5-minute here, it's on a slight uptrend. It's kind of choppy at the moment, but SPY is starting to turn back up a little bit. This thing's kind of forming a little triangle, a little squeeze here. We're getting higher lows and lower highs right now, so that energy is being squeezed in here in this area, this like 3 or 4 cent area. At some point, it's going to rock in one direction. And I'm guessing it's going to rock in down right now. It's just my guess. I'm going to be ready for it to get below 23 and test it. See, it was looking bad. Worst thing you want to do is buy right here at that support level and it bounce on you like that. So now we're below it. Alright, so now we're looking for a little bounce back up to 23. And we can get in. Come on, bounce for me real quick. Get a little higher. Get up there. Alright, we've shorted it. We got to order it in case it explodes to get us out. Which it's about to do to me, it looks like. Fight down. Breakdown. Let's go get past 22.90 real quick. Not liking this action here yet. There's a lot of people buying at $22.99. We need to get through them. There we go. Let's go see $22.90 real quick. Real quick, like. Give myself something to do instead of watching this chop back and forth. I'm not liking this at all right now, though. It's not getting down there. It's got to get down there now, or I'm going to be taken out pretty quick. There we go. Keep going. Let's rip through 90 real quick. 22.90. Let's go see it. Playing with me at this moment. Let's see if we can break down. There we go. We almost got through those 93s and it bounced on us. And there's more of them there now. Sell through 93. Get through there. Get through there. Eating them up. There we go. Let's get through 90 real quick. All right, got half my order out. Let's see what happens here. This line. I'm gonna take half of it there. And we'll see what happens with the rest. We're in at 99. And we're at 85. We want a trailing. Maybe do a trailing here if we can break down some more. We don't really want to get above 90. Which we're playing with right now. I'd like to get below 85 and put in a trailing stop for 15 cents. Position. Hold it down, 90. What are we going to do here? Are we going to continue down, or is this bounce city? We're going to get below 85 here. Heat it up. Heat it up. Can't get through there. You can see how, oh, there we go. Alright, got a trailing stop in for 15 cents right now. That makes it I did it at, where did it say? I got it at 84. Still would make it 99 my entry. So we know that I'm going to make $90 no matter what at this point. And I said bounce city and titty earlier. Yes. I don't know. Where's our low now? 78. So it makes 89 my where it takes me out. We'd like to see this thing hold under 85 at the moment if we're going to take our next leg down. Oh, if this thing breaks 380, I'm just gonna end the video, and pretty soon you'll be able to figure out where I ended by the thumbnail of the video, and just knowing that it's on a 15-cent trailing stop. So no point in. I would love for this thing to run for 2 hours and keep making money, but I'm not going to keep the video rolling that long. And honestly, I'm thinking about just getting out here if this thing doesn't take off soon. Of course, it'll be taking me out here any second anyways. 89, I think, is where 89 or 90 is going to auto sell it for me based on my trailing stop. About to see if trailing stops work. I know they do. I've done them before. I just rarely let them stay until they go. But we're about to see this one, I believe. Alright, any second. One more tick up and it should take me out. It did not. Interesting. Oh wait, I'm looking at the wrong. It would have been maybe 91 because it's based off the ask, not the bid. I think I was 1 cent away from being stopped out there. Let me do my math real quick. Where were we at? Low was 74, so I'd make it. Alright, low was 78, yeah. My math was bad. It's like 94. Break on through. We'll give this another minute or two, then we'll we'll end it. And looking at other things, and overall SPY's on a downtrend, Nvidia's downtrending. Apple's kind of on an uptrend. So we do not want this to build support at 22.85 here. There we go, get below. If I wasn't in this stock right now, I might even short it right now that it at 85 is holding. That's a good sign for me to stay in. We just want to get past this 22.80. It's getting a little choppy right now. Let's see. Sorry, I had a work call there for a second. Had to take. So that's why I got so quiet. Alright. Let's go. 85. Hold it down one more time. And then let's break through the bottom. I can make it drop real quick right now. All I gotta do is sell right here. All I do is talk about selling it. If we can't get through 22.80 here, I might just cut it. This is crap. Alright, I'm throwing it in at it. Stop at 90. It'll hit 90 and then die. Yeah, that was close. We need to get back through 2285 and stay down there for this to be good. Looking at this on the 5-minute though, it's beat up pretty bad. It's due a little bit of a pullback, but there's tons of people at 81 here. We get through this, it's a big drop. 80. Solid right here. There's a bunch of people right here. If we can get through that, we'll probably see a pretty good little 10-cent drop within the next minute or two. But it's got to get through this spot right here, holding like a champ. Kick it in the teeth, 85. Man, can you imagine getting in around here and having to wait for all this to do something? It's pretty choppy. Especially earlier when I talked about it coming through and then testing here, and I was pretty happy about it. I think right here, getting in at 85 and having to wait and see what's going to happen in agony. Alright, it took me out. Oh, not too bad of a day. 112.50. And it's going into chop town right now, and I'm not wanting to get in and play that game again. So I'm gonna be done for the day. Start looking at some option stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow morning. You know the drill. Like, subscribe, all that. If you want to see when I start the videos, which is usually a couple minutes before the market opens. Talk to you tomorrow.